Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie Jade and I post videos over here at least 3 times a week. But today we're going to be doing a review and I'm very excited for this. So this is going to be a review of the Kylie Jenner skin kit. I got the full skin kit to test out in my video today. I am so excited to show you guys this. This is going to be a completely honest review on the Kylie Jenner skin kit. I hope you all enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to smash that thumbs up for me. Leave me a lovely little comment to read later on. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. And let's get started with today's video. So I have actually tried some of Kylie's products before. I tried her highlighter, which is her highlight. I tried her blush and her bronzer, which I actually tried recently in one of my videos. But I've never tried the Kylie Jenner skin kit before. And this is what I've received. I got this for Christmas and I'm so grateful. It is absolutely beautiful. It has the face wash, the face scrub, the milk toner, the face moisturizer, the eye cream, and then the serum as well. I want to show you all the packaging first. It is packaged so professional, it looks so nice. You look at this and you think, yeah, I know that's Kylie just from the packaging. So nice. So when I open this up, it slides out of this sleeve here. So the sleeve slides off and this is what you get. So you've got all of Kylie's products. The only one negative thing that I can say about this brand and about the product is the products are so hard to get out of the packaging. So for example, this one here, the serum, because I have tested all these already. I've been using them on my skin for the last few days just so I can give more of an honest and more of a real review to actually see if they do impact my skin. So the serum, for example, is so hard to get out. I literally had to use pliers to prise it out of the packaging. So this one here was so hard to get out. The eye cream was really hard. This one here, the toner, was so hard. The micellar water wasn't as bad, but they are literally so hard to get out of the package. So that's the one negative thing I can say about the brand. The first thing I'm going to use is the foaming facial wash, and the whole Kylie skin kit just gives me vibes of Alia skin. It's very similar in packaging, the colours, the packaging, the types of products. For example, the Alia skin facial wash is almost identical to the Kylie skin facial wash. Like, it looks so similar in packaging. So I want to see if they're very similar in actual product as well. This is what the Kylie skin foaming facial wash looks like. It looks so nice. Like I said, I've used some of these products, but I haven't actually used every single product. I've used some, but I've not used them all. So I've not actually tried this one yet, so I'm very excited to try it. It's got this nice little pink cap, and then it's got a pumping dispenser. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get 2 pumps of this onto my hand. Oh, it's a lot more liquidy than I thought it would be. Like, it is a foaming, like it's a foam, but it's also quite a liquidy foam. So I'm going to get like another like half a pump of that. I'm just going to put my hair back, and then I'm going to just lather some of this up in my hands. Ooh, it feels really kind of creamy. It feels really soft. Okay, I'm really excited to use this. I'm just going to start applying this to my face. Oh, okay. This is not how I thought this one would feel. When I use any other kind of like foaming facial wash, it just feels more liquidy and bubbly, whereas this one feels really creamy. Like, I feel like this is genuinely going to do some good things for my skin. I'm just applying this all over my skin. It's really, if you guys can see a bit more up close, it is really thick. A lot of the other ones are a lot thinner, but this one's really thick. So I'm going to keep applying this. So far, with the Kylie skin package, I haven't had any reactions on my skin. My skin usually reacts quite badly to a lot of products, like if they've got a lot of fragrances or like harsh chemicals in. I don't have the best reactions. It's a little bit tingly, a little bit burning, but not anything kind of severe. So it does feel really nice, and it smells really fresh. I can't work out what the smell is of this, but it smells really fresh. So now that I've applied this, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna wash this off using my little facial cloth, and I'm gonna see what my skin looks like afterwards. Hopefully it'll look quite and feel quite fresh and quite refreshing and washed and like clean. So I'm going to go wash this off and then I'll be right back. I'm now back and my face is all rinsed. My skin feels really clean, and it actually smells so nice too. So what I'm going to use next is I'm going to go in with the walnut face scrub, and to remove that I actually used my face cloth. This is a really nice soft pink one. I thought I'd go for this one because it gave me Kylie vibes. So we're going to go in, like I said, with the walnut face scrub. This is one that I haven't tried yet and I'm very excited for. I do love a good facial scrub. So this is what the product looks like. As I said, this is the walnut face scrub. This is an exfoliant. I'm actually really excited to try this. I love a good face exfoliator. The one that I use currently is a simple one, and oh, it's so good. I really like to use a nice facial exfoliator like once or twice a week, and I really like to use it before I tan as well, because I feel like it makes my tan so much more even, and it just makes your skin feel so much nicer, so much cleaner, really nice and even. It just gets rid of like the dead skin cells. The packaging and like the product itself just feels so expensive. Like the lid is so heavy and it's really well designed. So oh, okay, it smells quite nice. If I'm completely honest, I didn't know what walnut smelled like. I've never really sniffed a walnut. So I wasn't sure. So you were supposed to get some of this, and I'm not gonna lie, this is a really interesting colour. So you're supposed to get some of this and massage it into your skin when it's kind of slightly damp. So I've got my cloth here. So I'm just going to like wet my skin with this. These cloths are literally so handy. I used to literally be running back and forth to the bathroom whenever I did like any skincare videos. And now that I use these, they are so handy. I'm now going to, oh, this feels really nice. It's got really small kind of like granules in it. It's like really fine. It's a bit like sand, but like even finer than sand. Oh, that's really gentle. Sometimes I get like facial exfoliators or exfoliators in general, and they've got like really big chunks in them. And I don't like the word chunks, I actually hate that word. But that's not the word I can think of to explain it. But they've got like really big bits in them, rather than having really small. Like this is so fine. You probably can't even see on camera, but it is so small and so fine that it'll still exfoliate, but it's so gentle. Okay, I'm a really big fan of this, I'm not gonna lie. This might be my new favourite facial exfoliator, because like I said, all the ones that I've tried are so thick, and like the bits inside them are so big that like I'm worried about getting it in my eyes, and it just feels really harsh on my skin. But this feels really gentle. Like I said, really small bits. So this is pretty much done. I'm going to keep massaging this into here, and then I'm going to rinse it off. You're supposed to rinse this off with warm water and then tap and pat the skin dry. Kylie always emphasizes that you need to pat and tap your skin dry, not rub it, so then you're not like rubbing and being harsh on your skin. So now that that is all pretty much rubbed in, I'm going to go wash this off, and we'll be right back, and I'll let you know what it feels like afterwards. Do quite like the smell. It's not what I expected it to smell like, but it just kind of makes me feel quite Christmassy, and it just smells really nice. I'm now back, and I've washed that off and patted it dry, and my skin genuinely feels so smooth. That's one of the ones that I hadn't actually tried yet, so I'm really impressed. My skin feels really smooth. It's got rid of all my dead skin cells. I'm really happy with this. I don't feel like the cleansers actually like stripped me at all with any like natural oils. Like sometimes I find that cleansers can be really harsh on your skin, and they just make you feel really dried out, like your skin feels really dry. But I don't feel like that's actually done that. My skin feels kind of normal, and it feels really clean, and yeah, I really like that. I love the smell of it too. So the cleanser was really good, and that was a walnut scrub we've just tried. I can't believe how soft my skin feels after using that. It was so gentle on my skin. I really like that. The next one I'm going to go in with is the Vanilla Milk Toner. This one is so nice. I have used this. It is really nice. This says, after cleaning skin with the foaming facial wash, squeeze a small amount onto a cotton pad and swipe across skin. So this one's got a little bit that you press, and then you squeeze it out onto a cotton pad. So I've got some down here. If I'm completely honest, I forget about toner a lot of the time. I don't always use my toners, but this one I do really like. I love the smell of it. I've just got some onto my cotton pad there, and it is quite a liquidy one, but it's quite creamy, like it's white. I was expecting it to be like a translucent, like a clear one, because the ones that I've used before were always literally just look like water. Like I said before, it smells so nice. It just smells like a bath bomb, and I'm just wiping this. It feels quite moisturising. You don't get many toners that feel moisturising. Like I said before about the cleanser, I felt before like toners kind of give me a bit of a stripped back effect, like they make me feel a bit dry skinned, and it feels like it just strips all my moisture and like my natural facial oils out. But I really like this one. I feel like it's quite just moisturising. It's like got so many nice things inside it. Some of my favourite skincare brands are Alia's Skin. Now Kylie's Skin. I love Kylie's brand now. I really like simple. There's so many different brands that I like, but I do find a lot of them are really, really hard with my sensitive skin. The foaming facial wash makes me burn a tiniest bit, but I really, really like the facial wash, so I'll probably just take my chance on that and just still use it. The rest of the products are so gentle on sensitive skin. They are so gentle. Like the toner there feels so moisturizing and so clean and so, I don't know, it's really, really nice, really creamy and really kind of thick compared to like a normal one, which is really, really liquidy and kind of watery. The next product I've got is the vitamin C serum. This one is the hardest to get out of the package, so it might take me a good 5 minutes to get it out. This is what the Kylie Skin Serum looks like. Favorite part of any skincare routine. If you've been on my channel before, you probably know this, but my absolute favorite part of the skin routine is the serum. I feel like serums are just a way of like treating your skin and just having a bit of a luxury item. I absolutely love them. This one is a vitamin C serum, which is an antioxidant which helps kind of replenish and make you look a lot brighter and rejuvenate your skin. So you only need 1 pump, but I'm gonna get like 1.5 just for the video. And this is what it looks like. It's quite a, it looks quite white, but then when you start to spread it around a bit, it's really, really liquidy, which is really good. And as soon as you start to apply this to your skin, it just sinks straight in and it just glides over your skin. It feels so nice. I don't know what the smell of this is. It smells a bit like the cleanser, but it smells so nice. It smells really, really clean, really refreshing, and just really gentle as well. So I'm just applying this on. It feels so nice on my skin. I really, really love this serum. But if I'm honest, I love every serum. Every single serum I've tried. Well, there's probably like 1 or 2 that I've tried that I'm not a fan of. But most serums that I use, I just absolutely adore. Like serums are just my absolute favourite thing. Oh, it feels so nice. It just feels so soft. And I just feel like I'm treating myself in like a proper pamper thing. The next thing I'm going to move on to is the moisturizer. And if you know me, you'll know I love a good moisturizer. I get really, really dry skin at the moment. It's mainly in winter that my skin gets so dry. So I've been using this Kylie moisturizer for the last few days and I really, really like it. I haven't had any skin reactions to it. It has genuinely been helping with my dry patches. Like when I apply makeup, I've been finding that it's been getting patchy and I can see it, but now I've been feeling and seeing an improvement in that. So I do really, really recommend this. This is what the packaging looks like. And I'm just going to open this up. It does kind of fool me a little bit whenever I open it because I open it like this and I think it's going to be like a squeezy tube, but then when you open it, it's actually got a little pump on it, which I think is really good for deciding how much product you want. I like to go quite generous in my moisturizer, so I use 2 pumps of this. And then I'm just going to start to apply this. It's quite a nice thick one. Like some moisturizers are quite liquidy. This one feels really thick. It definitely feels high-end. If anyone is interested in these kind of products, I would 100% wait until there's a sale on. Because I got these for Christmas in the sale because I mentioned it to my mum being like, there's a really big sale on Kylie Skin. So if you get it in a sale, you'll be able to get these products a lot cheaper because they are expensive. Personally, I do think it's worth it. The moisturizer is so thick and it genuinely feels like it is doing such a good job on my skin. I love my Alia Skin moisturizer. Again, that's quite a high-end one. But for a drugstore one, I love the Simple moisturizer. But the Simple one's not that thick. It's a lot more liquidy. So whenever I do my Simple moisturizer, I always apply a layer, leave it for a good 5 minutes, apply another layer, and then maybe like half an hour later, apply another one. So with this one, I don't feel the need to do that because I feel like it just goes straight into my skin and it just sinks in. And it does need a little bit more rubbing in because it's a thicker one. But this one, I feel like applies a nice, good thick layer. So, now that that is applied, this is how my skin is looking. It's nice and glowy. I'm now going to move on to the eye cream. Eye creams are something I need so much. Like if you look underneath my eyes, I genuinely have really, really dark circles and the bags under my eyes are ridiculous. I just don't sleep. And I stress a lot and things like that just are not good for you. I've started drinking more water to hopefully make my skin a little bit healthier, a little bit more hydrated, but things like eye creams are lifesavers. This is what the eye cream looks like. Really, really nice packaging again. It feels very high-end and it's got this kind of like hole at the end that you just squeeze out, and it's a very, very different colour than what I was expecting when I first used this. It's a very, very bright kind of yellow colour. But again, it's a very, very thick product. I'm just going to start to apply this into my eyes. It's so hard when you've got nails on to do your skincare because I keep poking myself in the eye. but it feels so nice. It smells just like the others, like the moisturizer, like the facial wash. It smells really, really nice, but there's no added fragrances in these. It's all natural. So this is how it's looking and how it's feeling. I do feel like this eye cream has had a good effect on my skin. Like, I feel like it has been helping my skin, even if it's just for moisturization. It's really, really good. Also, the yellow should hopefully like help neutralize the tone underneath my eyes too. But this routine I've been trying to do. I hadn't used the toner or the facial scrub until today, but the rest of it I've been trying to do every evening before I go to sleep. I like to moisturize when I wake up, but every evening before I go to sleep I've been trying to do this, and I feel like it has had a positive impact on my skin. Like, I really, really like these products. The eye cream is now applied. That's how my eyes are looking, and I finished with the facial routine now. I genuinely do absolutely love these products. Like I said, there's a couple of negatives, but with every product you're going to get your negatives. I didn't enjoy the facial wash for the burning aspect. It does make me feel like, is it not like compatible with my skin, things like that. I do have other facial washes that don't do that to my skin, so I feel like that may not be for me. The rest of the routine though is absolutely incredible. One of my absolute favorites has to be the walnut scrub. Like I said, I hadn't tried that until today, and I really, really like that. I'm so blown away with how tiny the little granules were in there, and how like soft it made my skin feel, and like how well it actually performed. I have sensitive skin, as I've said a million times in this video, and usually facial scrubs are no good for me. They are a no-go. So that one I'm completely obsessed with, and I absolutely love the serum too. I feel like it just felt so silky, and it just felt and smelled amazing on my skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really have enjoyed this. I love to sit down and have a chatty, honest review on skincare items, because like, I think skincare and self-care are so important, and I just think they're so fun to play with and to just sit and just do a bit of a pamper session. My skin feels and looks amazing right now. It feels and looks so glowy and so healthy. So I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button for me. Leave me a lovely little comment in the comment section down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.